Everyone knows how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income. Whether you are a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep, with your ebooks, courses, and digital art flying off the virtual shelves. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Payhip store, creating irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that convert. Get ready to unleash your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So all you have to do now is open your browser and dive into payhub.com. So this is the homepage if you want to sign up. As you can see here, we have other information. You have here features. If you want to sell, we have digital wallets, online courses, coaching, memberships, physical products. About grow, we have store builder, payments, VAT and taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. So we have also teams, customers, pricing, blog, marketplace, and log in if you have an account and you want to find it. Also, you can get started for free. So let's know first of all about pricing. Here's simple pricing. Get started now. No credit card required. Sign up for free. As you can see, free forever. We have here all features, unlimited products, unlimited revenues. If you want to sign up, all you have to do is enter your email address here and get started for free. So as you can see here, we have set up a free Payhip account to create a store already have an account. Log in here. So we have here, you can write your first name, last name, enter your email address, choose password, then create an account. If you have an account, all you have to do is click over login and enter your email and your password. As you can see, this is the homepage. We have your dashboard. So welcome to Payhip. You have taken the first step to sharing your work with the world. Take a few more things off your to-do list and keep up the momentum. We have here 3 steps. Especially we have first step. The first step is done. We have the second is add your first product, set up checkout, and customize store design. So these 3 steps is important to get started. And we have here other information. We have products, as you can see, add product, first product. We have store. Your store control all aspects of your stores, like and feel by using the powerful store builder. You have your store, blog stores, domains. You can launch your store builder. Then we have analytics here. Analytics for all products. You can select how much products you have and during time. Then we have marketing. We have here coupons, one sell, affiliate, mailing lists, cross-selling, upgrade, and we have here more. Then we have customers here. As you can see, we have subscribers, email updates, sales reports, followers. This is information that you have to know. Then we have here notification, have here account setting, store builder, video library, explore marketplace, and layout. So let's come back to the dashboard here. So if you wanna get started, all you have to do is click over store and click over launch your store builder. As you can see here, please add your first product before customizing your store design. You click over add first product. Then here we have digital products, course, membership, physical products, coaching service, and bundle. So we select a product type. So for sure we select digital product. You have here a new digital product to start selling. Upload your product files, then enter the price, cover image, and a descriptions. Then you upload product file, write title, for example, write title of your product, then choose price, for example, $5 or $50, for example. Then you add image or embed audio or video. All you have to do is upload the product image. So if you want to do that, all you have to do is open your browser and then enter canva.com. This is the homepage. I have an account. This is my account. All you have to do is sign up. To have an account is free. Then you click over custom size and click over presentation, as you can see. Then here we have a various photos. All I have to do is search about it. So first, let's search about some things like products here, sneakers. All I have to do is select one product. You can do the title, use yours, and also email address, and also links. You can delete all of that and use your own. Then about settings, we have here background color, positions, and you can modify various things like you can add page, add comment. You can also check quick actions. I have here notes, duration, timer, page. As you can see, you can zoom here, and we have here grid view. Also we have present full screen, as you can see. Then you can share and add the image products in here. All you have to do is click over here. Then about description, if you want a great description, all you have to do is dive into ChatGPT and write your description. If you write your description, so all I have to do is copy text and paste it here. Then here should your star visitors be able to see the product. Here we have visible, everyone can see the product. So the first one is the right one. Then you click over here, add product. So let's come back to the dashboard. Here we have the second step is done. Then we have here serp checkout. Let's click over serp checkout. We have here PayPal account. All you have to do is edit your account details here, such as payment details, name, dollar limits, etc. We have first PayPal account. Please log in securely with PayPal below to start accepting payments. We can link PayPal account. Then we have also Stripe account. We have just only do twice options. We have Stripe account and PayPal account. Also select your default currency, as you can see. We have various things. Then Payhip, answer statement, description, and save settings. So let's come back. Here we have last one, customer store design. All you have to do is modify the design of your product, and you can choose the design you want and modify all of that in the image that you already choose. So you have learned how easy it is to create and sell digital products on Payhip, from setting up your store to marketing your creations effectively. Now it's time to take action and turn your passion into a profitable business. With the tools and strategies you've gained, you can confidently navigate the world of digital sales and build a sustainable income stream. Don't wait, start your journey on Payhip today and watch your dreams of digital success become a reality. Your creative empire waits. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.